Have you ever felt mentally weak, easily stressed, or unable to focus, and wished your brain was stronger? Well, here's the truth most people don't know. A strong brain isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And today, I'll show you 10 proven ways to make your brain powerful, sharper, and unstoppable. Tip 1. Train your brain like a muscle. Just like your body gets stronger with exercise, your brain gets stronger with challenges like puzzles, learning new skills, or solving problems daily. Tip 2. Sleep isn't laziness. It's brain fuel. When you sleep, your brain cleans out toxins and strengthens memory. Lack of sleep makes your brain weaker and slower. So, tip 3. Move your body, power your mind. Studies show that even 20 minutes of physical exercise increases blood flow and literally grows the brain area responsible for memory and learning. Tip 4. Feed your brain right. Foods like blueberries, almonds, dark chocolate, omega-3 rich fish, and green tea can really increase your focus and boost cognitive function. Tip 5. Learn something new daily. When you learn a new language, instrument, or skill, your brain actually creates new neural connections, making it stronger and more adaptable. Tip 6. Reduce overthinking. It drains brain power. Overthinking honestly exhausts your brain, like running on a treadmill without moving forward. Instead, try to replace overthinking with problem-solving and action. Tip 7. Read more. Scrolling kills focus. Reading builds it. You see, reading activates deep focus areas of the brain and improves memory, imagination, and comprehension. It's like giving your mind a workout, you know? Tip 8. Talk positively to yourself. Negative self-talk, honestly, it shrinks confidence and weakens decision-making. Positive affirmations, on the other hand, boost neural strength and increase motivation. Tip 9. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Just 5 minutes of meditation increases focus, emotional control, and mental clarity, making your brain more calm and powerful. Tip 10. Push yourself outside your comfort zone. Doing new, uncomfortable things forces your brain to think differently and adapt quickly. And, this is how mental strength is truly built. Final thought. Your brain becomes what you repeatedly do. Feed it wisely, challenge it daily, and speak to it positively. And it will become your strongest weapon. So, are you ready to build a brain that doesn't just think, but dominates?